If you want to use voice typing on Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we need to open Settings. Next, in Settings, we have to scroll down and search for the System option. Let's go ahead and select it. And then once we open the System option, we should be able to also find the Keyboard option. Then we're going to go to On-Screen Keyboard and then choose Gboard, because this is the keyboard that we use by default on this phone. Open voice typing and just make sure that it is enabled. You can also toggle faster voice typing if you want to. Once we have voice typing enabled, you should be able to open your keyboard quite easily, and then you can find this microphone on the right side of the keyboard. If you tap on the microphone for the first time, you will need to grant some permissions. To be exact, you will need to allow the Gboard to record audio, so we can choose while using the app. And now whatever you say out loud, it should be converted into a text. Usually if you do this for the first time, it needs like a second to pick it up, but as you can see, it works quite well. And you can tap on the microphone again in order to make the keyboard stop listening. Leave a like and subscribe.